Hello YouTube, hope you all are doing well today. Today we are back with part 1 out of a 2 to 3 part series of my junkyard toolkit. I use this daily at the junkyard to pull out anything from engines, transmissions, to anything else on a vehicle, gas tanks, to whatever. I will have a link down in the description below to a giveaway video that we got going, and also to the YouTube, or not YouTube page, but Facebook page that we have going for the giveaway. So go and check out both of them links if you're interested, and consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss other parts of this series. Anyways, we'll get on with this tour here. This first toolbox is a 22-inch channel lock with the top organizer. As shown in the previous video, I took this organizer off though. It was more of a pain on here than what it did. I still use it. It was a pain on here. If it latched on this side, it'd be great, but it always flaps down and it opens every time you open the lid. Top hasn't changed too much. A little bit. Over here, snap-on 3/8 drive ratchet, panel trim tool, Gearwrench pick, Tecton 6-in-1, ratchet wrenches still. These are 11 through 19, stubby Gearwrench Flathead ratchet 3/8, a Tecton low 1/4 inch Flathead ratchet, my 1/4 inch gear wrench with extensions, and then 8 and a 10mm gear wrench. Over here we have a little 6-inch pry bar, Epic Cobras, 6-inch ones, Blue Point 6-inch adjustable wrench, Proto needle nose pliers, the Mac angled head dikes or cutters, snap-on, flank drive slip joint pliers, Blue Point 8-inch adjustable wrench, a tubing cutter, and my Vice Grip brand needle nose locking pliers. Okay, set that to the side. Here we have a Quinn, so Harbor Freight, long needle nose pliers, snap-on, .47 CP, I think. Yeah, it's 47 CP. There you go. Just a regular pair of slip joint pliers, Tecton ball peen hammer. This is their 24 ounce. Long dikes, long handled. Tecton Pry Bar. It's like their 18-inch one. 1/2-inch drive Tecton ratchet. Proto bent head needle nose, Mac slip joints, Mac bent needle nose. I have the whole 11-piece plier set minus their needle nose pliers because I lost them. Blue Point 10-inch adjustable wrench, Tecton 1/4 inch ratchet, Tecton 20 through 24 in a Sunex case. I just took the Sunex ones out of it and put these ones in. Tecton locking needle nose pliers, bigger set. Tecton wrenches. Another Tecton Pry Bar. Channel lock, Flathead 3/8 drive ratchet, 12-inch Blue Point adjustable wrench. Gearwrench 1/2-inch drive flex head. Kinepix Cobra, the 10-inch. Mac long-handled 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Tecton ball and Allen's. Channel lock 3/8 drive ratchet. This is just finer tooth count than snap-on. Broken Craftsman flathead screwdriver. Yeah, let's not talk about that. Tecton 1/4-inch drive handle. Another pair of vice grips. Another screwdriver. A 6-inch extension. A punch. The Wild USA made pry bar. Couple stubbies. Mac dikes. Tecton Pry Bar. My regular Tecton Allen wrenches. Another set of ball end Allen wrenches. Doyle 8-inch bolt cutters. Mac 3/8 drive long handled ratchet. Proto duckbill pliers. Let's see if we can move this out of the way. And then this, I've actually had this since I was like 16, maybe even before that, so 10 plus years. We don't really have anything up top. Here, Tecton spark plug sockets, a couple files, a couple pry bars that I fabricated into pullers for different kind of bearing races or bearings or whatever. Sunex pry bar. Sunex pry bar. I have the 4-piece Sunex pry bar set. Their bigger one wouldn't fit in this one, so there's 3 smallers. Or the 3 smaller ones. This bag has metric standard ball and Allen sockets in it. This bag has a Harbor Freight punch and chisel set in it. And this bag has impact rated 1/2-inch drive star bits. Tecton 18-inch bolt cutters. Do really like them too. Gearwrench 4-piece long punch set. Performance tool, long handled 3/8 drive ratchet. Tecton 16-inch long channel locks. Tie rod puller that I customized the other day to get a windshield wiper arm off. I'm not sure if I've bent this over the past little while or somebody I loaned it to bent it. Who cares? I need a new one now eventually. Anyways, Tecton C-clamp. Pitman arm puller. I need to buy more than pickle fork. Another pickle fork that I managed to destroy. Proto gasket scraper. Tecton oil filter pliers. Water pump tool for the Chevys / Dodges. A 15-inch clutch adjustable wrench. The snap-on PWZ ones. Snap-on PWZ 2s. And then for the random oddball time, and I need to tape measure 25-foot Stanley. And the rest of the Harbor Freight punch and chisel set that I have. That about wraps this up. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a great night.